Hello friends, welcome again in a new video. As you saw in thumbnail, this video is totally dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock. And you have watched a lots of video in different platforms to unlock your smartphone, but still now if you are watching this video, it means your phone is not unlocked with the help of any video of any platform. So don't worry at all. The new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely at the end of this video. So watch this video till the end, because the every step what I'm going to give you in this video is most important to unlock your smartphone. So don't skip a single step in this video. Okay. So firstly, you will have to charge your phone at least 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted at the time of using this unlocking method. Okay. So first of all, your phone should be switched on its airplane mode. So simply you will have to slide your phone downside and you will get a lots of keys here. Now you can see here there is a key of airplane mode. Simply you will have to activate this airplane mode key. Okay. Now after activating this, you can see here your phone's all the network has been switched off, because this method is known as offline unlocking method. So your phone's all the network should be switched off. Okay. Now after this, simply you will have to slide your phone upside like this. Now you can see here this phone is locked due to forgotten pattern lock. Okay, so I'm going to unlock this phone without any service center and without any computer application. So simply you will have to click on this emergency SOS option, and when you will click on this, you will have to open your phone's dialing pad like this. Now a special USSD code which is used to unlock any smartphone by an offline unlocking method, and this USSD code generally used by every brand service center, and this USSD code is *899 then hash. Now after feeding this USSD code, you can see here a new page has been appeared on my phone display, and you will also get a lots of option on this page, but you will have to go with the option of a manual test option which is showing at the 4th number. Simply you will have to click on this manual test option. And when you will click on this, you will get a new page, and the page name is engineers mode page. Okay, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of others. Okay, this page name is others, and you will also get a 5 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to go with the option of a main board version. Simply you will have to click on this main board version 5 times rapidly. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Now the second step has been done. Now you can see here there is an option of a read write important lock test option at the 2nd number. Okay, so simply you will have to click on this read write important lock test option, and at the first time when you will click on this, it will ask to confirm here, but you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to firstly cancel here. Again at the second time you will have to cancel, but at the third time when you will go with this option, you will have to go with the OK option. And when you will go with this OK option, you will get a pop-up of a wrong password option. It means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. Now the very last step what I'm going to give you in this video, okay, it's most important, so don't skip this last method. Simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. You can see here. Now you will get an option of a sensor self test and calibration option at the 6th number. Simply you will have to click on this option. You will get a 3 type of option on your phone's display, but it may be possible your phone will be showing here 1 option or 2 option. You can see here, and all the option is showing here operation not started. So simply you will have to start these operation by clicking on these option, and you will have to continue click on these option until you get a single test passed message in green color. Okay, so I'm going to click on these option. You can see here test has been started but test failed, test has been started but test failed, test has been started. Now you can see here a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone display. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So how will I check? Simply you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. Simply you will have to click on this home button option to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. So let's check here. Now you can see here this phone has been completely unlocked, and all the application which were in my smartphone when my phone was not locked as it is as in my smartphone. So this trick really works, And if your smartphone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video, or you may also make us comment which type of issues you're facing in this process. Our team will quick response on your issues. Thank you so much.